Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from Peon Expert. Today we will compare two popular model explanation tools, SHAP and LIME. Imagine your model is a black box. It gives a prediction, but we do not know why. SHAP and LIME are like detectives that explain which features mattered. First, LIME. It stands for Local Interpretable Model-agnostic Explanations. LIME shakes one data point a little, watches the changes, and fits a simple model around that small region. The goal is a fast local explanation for one case. Now, SHAP, it stands for Shapley Additive Explanations. It uses game theory and assigns each feature a fair contribution by checking many combinations. It is consistent but slower. Here it is a quick comparison. LIME is fast and local but can be inconsistent. SHAP is slower but consistent and fair, and could explain both local and global behavior. If you need a quick explanation for one case, use LIME. If you need the most accurate and reliable explanation, use SHAP. In simple terms, LIME is a quick sketch, while SHAP is a high-resolution photograph.